In task 8, you're asked to multiply decimals by another number. Now, in some of these instances, particularly once you get beyond C, these would be problems I would do in real life using a calculator. So D and F, and when I go through it, H are all calculator jobs in real life. However, because we're doing this by pen and paper, I'll show you how to work these through. Key thing is, beyond A, number of decimal places you have in your question will follow through to the answer. Now in A, I've got 2 zeros, so I multiply through. When I do that, the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. So 234.5. In D, 2 decimal places. In my question, there'll be 2 in my answer. In F, 3 in the question, 3 decimal places in my answer. The spacer there. So $57.75 is my answer. Now please don't panic about decimal places. Put them in the final answer. Spacer of 0. And of course, in your answer, 3 decimal places. Put the decimal place in 3 from the right. When it comes to H, set these up as 4 individual multiplications. I know that these are types of problems that you'll do on your calculator normally, but just this once, we'll go through and do them pen and paper. When I've got my 4 answers, I'll write them in the table and then add down. Key point, as always, same number of decimal points, places in my answer as my question. So 2 in the first, 2 in the second, 2 in the third. We are, after all, dealing with dollars and cents. Now we could put a 0 in this first one because I'm really multiplying through by the 2. Spacer provides some assistance. So $219. $72, carry the 7, 40, 47, so $47.20. Next question, gave you a sneak preview then. 5 9s 45. 1's 9 is 9, 4, 13. So end up with $135. And lastly, 40 lots of $2.50. In this case, 0 there, the spacer, because I'm multiplying through by the 4. 4 zeros, a 0. 4 5s are 20, carry the 2, and then 4 2s are 8 and 10. Looks kind of messy, but end up with $100 even. Then remains for me to add down the page. Now I've got these a little bit out of kilter. So the mental alignment there, there's only 20 cents there. So I put that down. So it's 12 and 9, 21, carry the 2. So 7, 8, 9, 10, carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $501.20. Now I've got to be honest, I would normally do that on the calculator. So I'll use my calculator here to add and check. Now if you've got a scientific calculator, you can actually do this as a string. 219. Makes sense to check your workings as you go using a calculator with these longer questions. And adding down the page, should be able to do this by pen and paper, mind you. Gives the 501.2. Now don't forget, that's 20, so $501.20.